their memories here, and also where so many had gathered for the holidays to celebrate Christmas, and then one day after Christmas they have to endure this. But one of the things that is it's so incredible is that despite all beginning to put their lives back together, tonight I'm working on a story on a woman who's 9 months pregnant. She and her family, they lost their home and their car, so I'll be talking to her and kind of sharing their story of how they are recovering and how they're going to get through this. Have a good day. Hi.
From where we parked.
Which one?
I think one in the house.
Oh, okay.